Wake up, America. Morning's over.
What's this? What's going on, YouTube? It's Walt and Jaya, or actually it's Jaya and Walt. We're watching the Super Bowl, and we are going to be doing a reaction video to some of these hilarious commercials. Always some wild stuff happening during Super Bowl commercials, so we got some bonchon wings. Almost messed up. And we got ciders. So, and if you're wondering, like, so where's the Super Bowl party? We lames, we don't got no friends.
Shut up. And I look like this because I just came back from dance again. Just saying. Hair looks crazy, but I just need that to be known.
Alright. Come on, you turn on.
Okay.
Oh,
so we'll see
you see this? You see what you listen?
I used to turn on.
Wait.
Avengers. April's the end game?
That's the first time that I've seen the Avengers Endgame trailer. That y'all about to be crazy.
I'm excited.
Alright guys, come on. Get your foot out. Get your foot off of him. Alright, watch it. Hey, stop.
Ouch. I'm not doing anything.
Quit it. Okay, do I have to break you guys apart? He started it. Stop it. Right. Stop it, guys. Come on. Stop touching me. Okay, that's it. If you don't stop, I will eat all of you alive right now.
Oh, she aggressive.
M&M's.
I prefer the break us apart option.
M&M chocolate bars?
It's morning.
Oh yeah, I didn't pee. Come on.
Today, more women will go to work than ever before in our country's history. This year, dozens of children will be born to happy and healthy families. It's morning again. It's morning again. It's morning again.
Wake up, America. Morning's over.
What's this? Oh nah.
That took a whole turn.
Yeah, I did. I was like, what? I thought it was some inspirational commercial. I'm like,
If I waited to be invited in, I never would have stood.
let's go, Serena.
Alright.
So make the first move.
Yeah.
In love, in life. And don't wait to be given power. Because here's what they won't tell you. We already have it.
It's a Bumble commercial? It's a dating app commercial?
What I gotta do with Serena?
Women hot nacho.
Chance.
I'm a man, Chance.
I love Chance.
Chance is dumb for this.
The original. Now it's hot.
Why am I messing up? Was that Backstreet Boys or Insane?
I don't know who the hell that was. I don't like them niggas.
Through American
Always mess
engineering
them
and
up.
expertise, the WeatherTech floor liner has changed
I had
the way
that.
that vehicle floors are protected.
Why didn't random dog?
And now we've changed the way to keep your pets safe.
F out of here.
Airbag on crack.
Comfort feeding system. 100% non-toxic and certified by the NSF.
It's not real.
Oh, is this really just promoting a
Nah.
bowl?
WeatherTech and pet comfort. Doing it right in America.
Was that just for a bowl?
WeatherTech has pet stuff now.
You ready? Higher, further, faster, baby. Yes, baby. Higher.
Excuse me.
Ooh.
Further.
Captain Marvel trailer.
Faster.
Oh, it's kind of tough now.
Try to keep up.
Ooh. Ooh.
And that's how you brewed.
My king, this corn syrup was just delivered.
That's not ours. We don't brew Bud Light with corn syrup.
Miller Lite uses corn syrup.
Let us take it to them at once.
Shade.
Diddly diddly.
The shade.
If something did happen, we'd eat the wizard first, right?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, brewers of Miller Lite, we received your corn syrup by mistake.
That's not our corn syrup. We received our shipment this morning.
You're joking.
Try the Coors Light capsule. They also use corn syrup.
This is so shady.
Yo, the shade is wild.
Can you smoke outside?
Oh, brewers of Coors Light, is this corn syrup yours?
Well, well, well. Looks like the corn syrup has come home to be brewed. To be clear, we brew Coors Light with corn syrup.
Bud Light, brewed with no corn syrup.
Bro, that's the shade, bro. They shady, but I like it.
I'm dealing with the future of the planet. Human evolutionary change.
Fast and Furious?
Hold up.
Who the hell are you?
Bad guy.
Idris?
Who's gonna stop me?
And The Rock. Oh, this must be the Expendables.
Oh, this is when they said that Tyrese and The Rock were fighting over.
No way. This job requires stealth.
This is definitely the Expendables.
Look at you. I'm trying to save
Stop
the
right
world,
there.
which, for the record, will be my 4th time.
Damn.
Because I'm really good at it. Hobbs and Shaw, you want a war?
Oh, so let him have his British accent.
On 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Hobbs and Shaw. What the heck is that?
That's 2 Chainz?
Yeah.
He's still around.
Mr. James. Hi. Record label finance. Listen, I'm going to need paper receipts for everything in this video if you want to get reimbursed.
No, I have Expensify for that.
What?
I'm dead. What?
Dilly dilly.
It's a beautiful day for a toast.
Indeed. Sun's out.
Where's
Got
mine?
my lucky loincloth.
But like again, where's your way?
I need my cider.
Plague anymore.
It's gone.
We got 6 of them.
You want to drink it now?
Dilly dilly! I just need it for this. Dilly dilly. What is happening?
I know, they're talking about Epic as a mud.
It's a super long commercial. Game of Thrones.
Dang, they killed the dude.
Welcome to the dog show. Where
Yeah.
Hey Google.
More than 100 billion words are translated every day.
Thank you very much for your help.
Words about food.
That's tough. That's what the Samsung is trying to do.
Words about friendship. About sport. About belief.
Crazy.
About fear.
Yeah, bro.
Can hurt.
That's tough.
And sometimes divide.
Our future's here.
But every day, the most translated words in the world are "How are you?"
Or how are you?
"Thank you." And "I love you."
Those are the most translated words. You heard that?
Yeah. I love you.
I love you too, man.
Wow, that's not a commercial.
Thank you.
I'm just kidding, I love you.
Change color? Sarah, I'll take it.
Oh, that'd be tough.
Mittens.
Clean the cat. Make it rain.
I would OD with this power.
Change the music.
Oh, why?
Yo.
Use the rocket. And free will.
Yeah, that sounds kind of tough.
If only everything in life listened to you, like your new A-Class.
Hey, Mercedes.
How can I help you?
Change color. Make it cooler. Play my music.
The A-Class, starting at $32,500.
Slow clap for Mercedes. This commercial is super tough.
Want to know Brazil's deepest secret? It's in the deep clean level, where we face deep stains. Brazil goes even deeper for an exceptional deep clean.
And what's your deepest secret?
Keep it clean, Rhonda. Brazil Pro Clean.
Here's that one.
It's an interesting partnership.
A cell phone company and a taco joint.
An empty space, filled with thousands of screaming people. A man, both nowhere and everywhere at the same time. Answers are new questions. The unthinkable is the expected. When truth is not the truth.
I don't know.
What dimension are you even in?
This is a new movie?
I don't know what that is, but I'm watching it.
Nope, not me.
Huh? We watching that. Yo, it's real wild. So y'all only gonna see us watch a part of that commercial because the way that commercial came on is like
OD.
Yeah.
We thought that it
we didn't even know it was on.
Showtime.
Showtime got all the commercials.
Yeah, they do. They pay a lot of money for it. Stop.
CBS presents
No.
the Toyota Super Bowl Today halftime report.
Well, despite all